What happens when your freedom is on the line and you need someone to fight for your rights? Criminal defense lawyers are the first line of defense in the courtroom, ensuring fairness and justice. But their role is much more complex than simply representing clients at trial. In this video, we'll explore the many hats a good criminal defense lawyer wears, from being a skilled investigator to providing emotional support and even fighting for post-conviction relief. Whether you're curious about the legal world or need insight into criminal defense, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to learn how these legal professionals navigate the intricacies of the law to protect their clients. First responders in the courtroom. Initial consultation. The journey of a criminal defense case begins with a crucial first step, the initial consultation. Here, a defense lawyer listens intently to the client's side of the story, gathering every possible detail to understand the full scope of the case. This is a vital moment for establishing trust, as the lawyer needs to make the client feel safe and confident in their defense. Beyond listening, the attorney also begins strategizing, analyzing the strengths and weaknesses of the case, and providing an early assessment of possible outcomes. The consultation lays the foundation for building a strong defense plan that will serve the client's best interests. Investigating the case, a detective in disguise. A good criminal defense lawyer doesn't just accept the evidence presented by the prosecution. They take matters into their own hands by investigating the case thoroughly. This means reviewing police reports, speaking with witnesses, and even hiring private investigators when necessary. By digging deeper, the defense attorney can uncover new facts, question the reliability of key evidence, and identify potential gaps or contradictions in the prosecution's narrative. In many cases, it's the lawyer's ability to find overlooked details that turns the tide in favor of the defendant, showcasing the investigative mindset essential to effective criminal defense. Legal research, mastering the law and precedents. To be a strong advocate for a client, a criminal defense lawyer must be well-versed in the law. This means diving deep into legal research to understand the nuances of the case, past rulings, and how relevant statutes apply. Lawyers come through previous court decisions, precedents, and even scholarly articles to inform their strategy. Their goal is to craft a defense that not only makes sense legally, but also challenges the prosecution's case with solid legal reasoning. This research is crucial for navigating complex legal issues, and it ensures that the defense is grounded in the law, increasing the likelihood of success. Crafting defense strategies, tailoring a plan for victory. Every criminal case is unique, and so is the defense strategy. A skilled lawyer carefully tailors their approach based on the facts of the case, the client's history, and the available evidence. Whether the defense strategy involves pleading for reduced charges, challenging the evidence, or claiming self-defense, it must be specific and well thought out. The lawyer assesses the risks and benefits of each approach and decides whether it's best to settle with a plea deal, go for a dismissal, or fight it out in trial. Crafting a personalized defense is an art form that requires creativity, expertise, and a deep understanding of the law. Negotiating plea deals, a balancing act of risk and reward. One of the most challenging aspects of a criminal defense lawyer's job is negotiating plea deals. While some clients may want to fight their charges in court, others may benefit from accepting a plea deal. The lawyer's role is to assess the situation, weighing the risks and rewards of each option. If the evidence against the defendant is overwhelming, a plea deal may reduce the charges or sentencing, preventing a lengthy trial. Skilled negotiators know how to leverage their understanding of the law to achieve the best possible outcome for their clients. The goal is always to protect the client's future while ensuring justice is served. Courtroom presentations, mastering the art of advocacy. In the courtroom, a criminal defense lawyer becomes both an advocate and a strategist. They craft persuasive opening and closing statements, aiming to leave a strong impression on the judge and jury. The ability to present evidence clearly and cross-examine witnesses effectively is vital. During the trial, they must maintain composure, adjusting strategies based on the unfolding proceedings. Cross-examining prosecution witnesses is a critical part of this role, where the defense lawyer must question their credibility, pointing out inconsistencies or flaws in their testimony. A successful courtroom presentation can often mean the difference between conviction and acquittal, protecting constitutional rights, safeguarding the innocent. One of the primary duties of a criminal defense lawyer is to safeguard their client's constitutional rights. This includes ensuring the right to a fair trial, protection from illegal searches, and preventing forced confessions. Lawyers are vigilant in protecting these rights, often challenging the prosecution's evidence if it was obtained unlawfully. They also fight against wrongful detentions or violations of due process. By standing firm in defense of these fundamental rights, the criminal defense lawyer ensures that justice is not just done but done fairly. This responsibility is essential to maintaining the integrity of the legal system. Handling pretrial motions, laying the groundwork for success. Before a trial even begins, criminal defense lawyers are hard at work filing pretrial motions. These motions can address a variety of critical issues, such as suppressing illegally obtained evidence, dismissing charges, or even modifying bail conditions. A good lawyer knows when to file these motions to ensure that the case is as strong as possible before it reaches the courtroom. Successful pretrial motions can have a significant impact on the outcome of the case, sometimes leading to charges being dropped or the evidence being excluded entirely. These motions set the stage for a more favorable trial. Mitigating sentencing, fighting for the best possible outcome. Even when conviction seems inevitable, a criminal defense lawyer's job isn't over. They play a crucial role in the sentencing phase, working to mitigate the consequences for their client. This involves presenting mitigating factors like a client's background, mental health, or remorse, all of which can influence the judge's decision. The lawyer might argue for alternatives to incarceration, such as probation, community service, or rehabilitation programs. By focusing on these mitigating circumstances, the defense attorney aims to ensure that the sentence reflects the individual's circumstances, offering a more lenient outcome. Providing emotional support, the human side of lawyering. The criminal justice system can be overwhelming, and clients facing serious charges often experience stress, fear, and anxiety. A good defense lawyer understands the emotional toll this can take and provides much-needed reassurance. Beyond legal counsel, they serve as a sounding board for their clients, offering support through what can be an emotional roller coaster. This human aspect of criminal defense is often overlooked, but it plays a critical role in helping clients feel understood and less alone during the legal process. A compassionate defense attorney can make a significant difference in a client's experience. Ensuring post-conviction relief, a lawyer's ongoing duty. A strong criminal defense lawyer's responsibility doesn't end with a verdict. After sentencing, they continue to advocate for their client through post-conviction relief. This may include filing an appeal, seeking a new trial, or pushing for a reduction in the sentence. Post-conviction relief is often necessary when new evidence emerges or when the original trial was marred by legal errors. A defense attorney remains dedicated to their client's cause, working tirelessly to correct injustices even after a conviction. Their persistence ensures that the fight for justice doesn't end with the trial. Continuing education, the lifelong learner. The law is ever evolving, and a good criminal defense lawyer must keep up. Whether it's through continuing legal education, attending seminars, or staying updated on new case law, constant learning is crucial. Lawyers must be aware of changes in criminal statutes, legal precedents, and emerging trends in defense strategies. This ongoing education not only sharpens their legal skills, but also ensures that they remain equipped to handle any challenges that come their way. By staying informed, criminal defense lawyers continue to provide the best possible defense to their clients. As we've seen, a criminal defense lawyer's role is far more than just representing clients in court. From investigating cases to negotiating plea deals, protecting constitutional rights, and providing emotional support, these professionals wear many hats. Their expertise and dedication are essential in ensuring a fair and just legal process. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more insightful legal tips and advice on criminal defense attorney tips. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring the world of criminal defense.